In today's video, we're diving into how you can effectively use your Xfinity camera without a service plan. While Xfinity cameras typically require a subscription for full functionality, there are still useful features you can access without paying. Firstly, ensure your Xfinity camera is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Even without a service plan, you can use the Xfinity Home app to access basic features such as live streaming and manual recordings. This allows you to keep an eye on your home remotely and capture important moments. If your camera supports it, consider using local storage options like microSD cards or USB drives. This enables you to save video clips and snapshots locally on your device, providing additional flexibility and control over your recordings. Keep in mind that without a subscription, you won't have access to advanced features such as continuous cloud recording or alerts based on motion detection. However, by leveraging these tips, you can still make the most out of your Xfinity camera for basic home monitoring needs, and that's how you can effectively use your Xfinity camera without a service plan. Thanks for watching.